We're going to be changing out the rear brake pad for a 2008 Infiniti G35 Journey Edition rear wheel drive. So you would need a socket, which is 916 right here, and a big ratchet. And these are the two bolts that we're taking out, one on the top, one at the bottom. Now once it's loose, just turn the rest by hand. So I just found out for the bottom bolt, because this is in the way, you will have to use a ratchet. So we're going to be using a size 14 millimeter ratchet. You cannot use the ratchet here, because look, it's banging against this. So you will have to use this right here, as it fits right there. So I just learned a neat trick. So for the bottom bolt, you don't fully have to take it out. You just have to loosen just enough, and then it will slide right out. See, just like that. So you don't fully have to take it out like the top one. Now we have access to the rear brake pads. Now to take out the rear brake pads, I would suggest a neat trick. If you don't have a flat head on you right now, one finger grab this, the other finger grab this side. You just wiggle it, push you, and it slides right out. Now look at that, it's pretty low. You know, driven this car, or you were to drive this car for like a week, it would definitely eat through the rotor. You will have to get a new rotor. Now we're gonna grab the brake cleaner and we're gonna spray everything down. Spray down the piston, the shoe, spray down the rear of the rotor. We're gonna let it dry for a few seconds. We are gonna be pushing the pistons back in place. So what I usually do is grab the old brake pad, place it like this. That way when you push it in, it's going back in evenly, not slanted. So it's like this. Now we can just finish it off. There you go, just like that. Now grab yourself some brake grease, and we're gonna grease these edges right here, the metal shim, so that it'll be easy for the the new brake pad to engage and it doesn't rust out. you got the brake pads installed, all we have to do just grab the caliper. Now you see the bottom bolt, you don't have to take it off. Loosen it. Now we're going to slide it towards us. Piston's already pushed back in. Bring it up. Pull this rubber towards us. And then grab the bolt. Screw it back on. Go in the car. Step on the brakes. And pump it a few times so that the piston will engage with the new brake pads that's installed. So this is how you do change out the rear brake pad for a 2008 Infiniti G35 Journey Edition rear-wheel drive. If you have any questions, leave me questions in the comment section and I'll respond back. Alright, be safe. Thanks for watching.